So guys, I just picked up a freaking jewel in the gun store the other day. So, Gen 3 17, right? Oh, Hunter, big fucking deal, right? But look how abnormally clean this looks. You see that? There's like nothing on it. Alright, so it's insanely clean, right? Alright. Nothing in the chamber. If you look close in the slide here, you can see there's still some copper grease in there. And there's still some on the rails here. Copper grease is what they use at the factory. This is essentially a brand new Gen 317. Somebody bought it and stuck it in a safe for fucking years. There's like no carbon on this thing whatsoever. And it's still got the factory grease on it. So I got a fucking steal.